Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed tutorial on repairing the circuit board of the Kobold VC100 vacuum cleaner. Today, we'll walk you through each step of the process, ensuring that you have a clear understanding of what needs to be done. Let's get started. First, gather your tools. You'll need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a multimeter for testing, isopropyl alcohol and a soft brush for cleaning, soldering iron and solder, safety goggles and gloves for protection. Once you have your tools ready, begin by unplugging the vacuum cleaner to ensure safety. Next, use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws securing the cover of the vacuum cleaner. Make sure to keep these screws in a safe place, as you'll need them later. With the cover removed, carefully detach the circuit board. Before proceeding, inspect the board for any visible damages such as burnt components or loose connections. If you identify any damaged components, note them down for replacement. Now, let's clean the circuit board. Dampen your soft brush with isopropyl alcohol and gently clean the surface of the board. This will remove any dust or debris that could interfere with the repair. Remember, proper cleaning is crucial for effective repairs. Next, take your multimeter and check for any faulty connections or burnt traces on the circuit board. If you find any issues, you can use your soldering iron to repair these traces. Be cautious and ensure you apply the solder carefully to avoid any further damage. If you're unsure about handling the repairs yourself or lack the necessary tools, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. This means you can have an expert assess the damage without any commitment to repair. After completing the repairs, reattach the circuit board and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is tightly fastened to prevent any movement during operation. Before we test the vacuum, it's a good practice to double-check all connections and screws. If you don't have the tools for testing or feel uncomfortable proceeding, consider our pickup and delivery service at your home. This way, you won't have to worry about calls or travel. Now, plug the vacuum back in and turn it on. Monitor its performance closely to ensure that everything is functioning as it should. If you notice any issues, it might be a good idea to get a quote before repair to understand the costs involved. In summary, repairing the Kobold VC100 circuit board involves careful inspection, cleaning, and soldering of components where necessary. Always prioritize safety and consider professional assistance if needed. Thank you for following this tutorial, and we hope your vacuum is back in working condition soon. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.